Welcome to our video on boosting your Python workflow with faster alternatives to pip and venv. Today, we'll explore a revolutionary tool called UV that promises to enhance your development efficiency. If you've ever felt frustrated by the slow package installations or cumbersome environment management that pip and venv often entail, you're not alone. In this session, we will delve into the challenges developers face with these traditional methods and introduce you to UV, a tool designed to streamline your workflow. Our goal is to provide you with a clear understanding of how UV works, its benefits, and how to effectively integrate it into your projects. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your development tools. So sit back, take notes, and let's get started on transforming your Python development experience. While pip and venv have been staples in the Python ecosystem for years, they come with their own set of challenges. One of the primary frustrations developers encounter is the speed of package installations. As projects grow in complexity and dependencies increase, the time spent waiting for installations can become a significant bottleneck. Additionally, managing virtual environments with venv can be cumbersome, especially when switching between multiple projects. Each environment requires separate activation, which can interrupt workflow and lead to confusion. Furthermore, dependency conflicts often arise when different projects require different versions of the same package, complicating the development process. These challenges not only slow down productivity, but can also lead to errors and inconsistencies in project setups. Understanding these limitations is crucial as we move forward to explore how UV addresses these issues and offers a more efficient alternative. UV is an innovative tool designed to simplify and accelerate Python package management and environment setup. Unlike traditional tools like pip and venv, UV combines the functionalities of both into a single, cohesive solution. This means that instead of managing packages and environments separately, UV allows you to handle everything from one interface. This integration not only saves time, but also reduces the complexity often associated with setting up a new project. UV utilizes a unique caching mechanism that speeds up installations by reusing already downloaded packages, significantly reducing the time it takes to set up your environment. Moreover, UV supports a more user-friendly command syntax, making it easier for developers to navigate and utilize its features effectively. In the next slide, we will dive deeper into the benefits of using UV and how it can transform your development experience. The advantages of using UV are numerous and impactful for developers at all levels. First and foremost, speed is a game changer. UV drastically reduces the time required for package installations, allowing you to focus more on coding and less on waiting. This efficiency is achieved through its intelligent caching system, which minimizes redundant downloads. Additionally, UV simplifies the process of managing virtual environments. With a single command, you can create, activate, and manage your environments, eliminating the hassle of switching contexts. Furthermore, UV provides a more seamless development experience by integrating package management and environment setup into one tool. This not only streamlines workflows, but also minimizes the risk of version conflicts and other common issues. Lastly, the tool is designed with user experience in mind, featuring an intuitive command line interface that makes it accessible even for those new to Python development. Overall, UV enhances productivity and encourages a smoother workflow, making it a worthy consideration for your next project. Getting started with UV is straightforward and user-friendly. To install UV, begin by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. You can check this by running Python version in your terminal. Once you confirm Python is set up, you can install UV using a simple command. Open your terminal and type pip install UV, which will download and install the tool along with any necessary dependencies. After installation, you can verify that UV is correctly installed by running UV version. This command will display the current version of UV on your system. Once confirmed, you can start creating your first environment by using UV create venv, where venv is the name of your new environment. Activating your environment is as easy as running UV activate venv. This simplicity in setup is one of the key features that makes UV a compelling alternative to traditional tools. In the next slide, we will demonstrate UV in action with a real project example. Let's dive into a practical demonstration of UV in action. Imagine you are starting a new Python project that requires several packages, such as Flask for web development and requests for making HTTP requests. First, you would create a new environment using UV create miproject. After activating the environment with UV activate miproject, you can easily install the required packages using UV install Flask requests. Notice how UV handles the installation swiftly, thanks to its caching system. Once the packages are installed, you can start coding your application without the typical delays associated with traditional package management tools. In addition to installing packages, UV allows you to list all installed packages with UV list, making it easy to keep track of your project's dependencies. This demonstration highlights how UV not only saves time, but also simplifies the overall development process, allowing you to focus on building your application rather than managing your environment. In conclusion, UV presents a powerful alternative to traditional Python package management and environment setup tools like pip and venv. We have explored the common challenges developers face with these traditional methods, such as slow installation times and cumbersome environment management. By introducing UV, we highlighted its key benefits, including speed, ease of use, and a more integrated workflow. As you consider incorporating UV into your development practices, remember to evaluate your project needs. While UV offers many advantages, there may still be scenarios where traditional methods are appropriate. However, for most modern Python projects, UV can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. We encourage you to give UV a try in your next project and experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching and happy coding.